Welcome back guys sa part 2 ng ating video presenting the cookery, the authentic cookery from Kathmandu, Nepal. So this we have here is the V or the number 5 Pashuram cookery. So rat tail tongue siya. Rat tail tongue. Kaya may papapansin natin yung sa hilt niya. May mga brass fittings tayo dito. Carabao horn handle. Ito. May mga brass siya. So this is the blade profile. I think this is somewhat 12 inches blade. Yan. So as to the price, for those who are interested to purchase from the second batch of cookery that arrived today, mag-isa lang po ito. This is the only one in this batch. So those who are interested, comment below. This is the only one. And meron dito yung dalawang anak niya. So, this is the V Pashuram or number 5. Meron yung ito yung rat tail tongue siya. Meron yung full tongue. Ito naman siya. Meron yung full tongue. Kaya nakapin siya. Carabao horn handle pa rin. Yan. Now, more or less nasa 14 yata o kaya 13 inches yung blade nito. Mas malaki. Full tongue ito. Full tongue. So wala siya masyadong brass fitting sa handle. Carabao horn handle. Yung scales niya. This is also one piece only from this second batch. So meron yung dalawang utility and emergency knife, sharpening knife tool natin dito. At saka meron yung one of the newest design of the famous designer ng cookery, Sir Daniel Murray. So this was one of his latest design. So I think this is what we call the tribute. Medyo mahaba. Yan. Those who are interested, I'll be sending the detailed photos. Comment down below. So rosewood handle, I think. Then we have bronze fittings in the handle. And then at the back we have the utility knife. Utility knife. Okay. Was located at the back of the blade. The tribute. It has a pocket in the front of the sheet, so you can use that. Okay. So these are the cookery knives that arrived in the second batch that we have acquired directly sa tulong ng ating kasama, Sir Reese. Shout out. If you're watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Comment in the comment section below if you're interested.